Dude, I just did a few screenshots as you showed yesterday, but I would like to delete some stuff there. I have this what it's called a GIMP, but it is too hard for me to deal with. I need a very simple, straightforward app. Um, you can use Paint. It is a built-in app in Windows. Let me show you. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to work with Paint. Paint is a very useful old app. In Windows 11, Microsoft redesigned it and you will notice a fully updated UI that matches the new visual design of Windows 11. Paint's new design includes round corners, mica material and some more. There is also one tool that they changed. It is, as they stated, a new text tool. But in my opinion, there is much more to do. The updated Paint app will still not allow you to unhide the ribbon tool, and the zoom forces you to use certain increments and are not convenient at all. I will show you, in my opinion, the best top 5 tools here. First, let's make some print screen and then I will crop and change it in Paint. For that, we'll open the browser and I will press the Windows plus Shift plus S key buttons all together. It will bring up the Windows Advanced Print Screen mode and I'll make a screenshot from the Google page. Then let's paste this page into Paint using a selection tool, which is our first tool in the top 5. Like that. Now we will use the selection tool to cut some text out. But before that, we need to look on the application color settings, which is our second tool today. We can choose 2 colors here. They're acting quite interesting. Let's take blue and red colors. In the selection tool, we can only use the second picked color. This color will indicate the back color of our cutting tool. So if we select something and then press the delete button or drag it and drop it, we will see that this color will appear back there. So let us use our third tool, which is a color picker, to change the second color to the color that we need. So after all, we can cut out our selection and Paint will fill it with the proper color. Note that we use the right mouse button to select the second color. Now let's assume I want to fix this mismatch here. For that, I will select this little part here and expand it. The last thing with this selection tool is that you can change the transparency of the selection. This means that the white color in this case or some other color that will be marked as the second color will be transparent in your selection. In other words, with the second color pick, you are selecting which color in your selection will be cut out. A fourth tool is a text tool. It also has this transparency selector or so-called background color and acts the same. Let's see how those 2 colors act here. So the first color is text color and the second is background fill. Note that if you want to change the color of the text that you have already typed, you need to select it. And you also need to understand the concept of Paint. This app does not have layers. This means all the things you're doing here and releasing from the tool, they're becoming one layer with the image. This means you can't reselect the text and change its colors properly or the text itself again. You need to cut it out and make a new one with a text tool. And that goes for all the tools here. The last and mighty tool is a fill color. It will change the color of the pixels that have one color type and are adjacent to each other. Let's say we have this rectangle here. I need to change its white color to black. It is pretty simple. But if I have a little gap in here, it will change the color of all the connected white pixels, which is not what I wanted. So you need to know it that you want to close all gaps for this tool. In conclusion, Paint is a very useful app and you can use it to change something in your print screens or paint something, and you have basic tools here and you don't need to think a lot. You just paint and have a fun. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you were enjoying it. You can press subscribes and like buttons as always, and see you later. James, you're so early today. I haven't left, mate. I haven't left. The spade thing is so easy. I started with lines and now I have mountains and a little penguins here. I feel like an artist, you know.